Changing general form of equation of a circle to standard form. What is the general form of equation of a circle? The general form of equation of a circle is x squared plus y squared plus cx plus dy plus e is equal to 0. And then we're going to change it into the standard form, which is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Given this example, give the standard form of the equation x squared plus y squared minus 10x minus 6y plus 33 is equal to 0. We can change this. This one is in general form. We can change this one into standard form by using the process of completing the square. So step 1 is we will move all the constants to the right side of the equation. What are the constants in this given equation? We have the number 33. So we'll copy this one. X squared plus y squared minus 10x minus 6y, and then we will write the equal sign. Since this one is positive, when we will move it on the other side, it becomes negative, so we have negative 33. Next step is put the terms with the same variable next to each other. What are the terms with the same variable? We have x squared and negative 10x. So we're going to write x squared and then negative 10x. Next is y squared, have the same variable with negative 6y. So we have positive y squared minus 6y, and then copy negative 33. Next thing that we're going to do is we will divide the coefficients of x and y by 2, and then we will square its quotient. So we will do it step by step. What are the coefficients of x and y? So for x we have negative 10. So for x here we have our coefficient, which is negative 10. And for y we have here, which is negative 6. Yes, that's right, negative 6. So first thing is we will divide it by 2. So negative 10 divided by 2 is equal to negative 5. And negative 6 divided by 2 is equal to negative 3. We are not yet done. We will square the quotient. The quotient for this one is negative 5. So we will multiply it by itself. Negative 5 times negative 5 is equal to positive 25. And negative 3, we will square it. It becomes positive 9. Yes. And then we are done. But then we will proceed to step 4. Step 4, we will add the results to both sides of the equation. Our results are 25 and 9. We will do first the left side. So we will copy this one, x squared minus 10x, and then we will put 25 next to negative 10x. Why is that? We have x squared minus 10x plus 25. Have you observed that this one is a perfect square trinomial? So this one is a perfect square trinomial. Plus, we have copy y squared minus 6y, and then we will insert 9 next to negative 6y to make it another perfect square trinomial. So we have two perfect square trinomials. And then we just copy negative 33. But it says that we will add the results to both sides. We are done adding it on the left side. So next is we will add it on the right side. So we will write plus 25 here and also plus 9. Next is we will factor the resulting trinomial. We have two trinomials here. So we will factor x squared minus 10x plus 25 and y squared minus 6y plus 9. Let's do this first. What is the factor of x squared minus 10x plus 25? Yes, to get this factor, since this one is a perfect square trinomial, we will just copy x, and then we are sure that this is squared. We will just divide negative 10 by 2. So negative 10 divided by 2 is equal to negative 5. That's right. So this one is its factor. And then we will add, what is the factor of y squared minus 6y plus 9? The same thing we will do. We will just copy, the first term is y, so we will just copy y. And then we will divide the second term with 2. Negative 6 divided by 2 is equal to negative 3. And then the same with this one, we will square it. If you will expand this one, it will become this one. And if you will expand this one, it will become this one. And then equals, or all we're going to do for this one, they're all constant terms, so we will just add them. So negative 33 plus 25 is equal to, yes, negative 8. And we'll add 9, then the sum is equal to 1. We're almost done. Then step 6 is we will finalize our equation. That is, do you think that this equation is not yet in the form of, we should have it in the form of, what is the standard form of equation again? That is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Ooh, this is nice. We have, this is just the same with, this one is just the same with this. And this one is also the same with this one. The same also with our r squared. So we can say that we are already done with our equation. So that is x minus 5 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to 1, which is our 1 squared, or just equal to 1. So our final answer is x minus 5 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to 1. That is changing the general form of equation of a circle to its standard form.